Hello, America. This is my friend Jay, and this is a screwdriver that you use the little screwdriver bit to undo the screws. Jay just taught me that you can remove the top piece, and you can use this by itself. To me, this is a broken screwdriver, but apparently, if you have the right size, I think this might be video. I have no idea if it's working right now.
Yeah.
I can't see it. But if you have the right size bolt, which apparently they were manufactured to use a broken screwdriver size standard, he already did the first two bolts. This is the third bolt. He's unscrewing with just the base of a, I don't know, what do you call these? All-in-one.
I need to
Sure.
bring that. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm not helpful.
There we go.
I have a flashlight, but I don't have that either.
That's right. There we go.
Okay, I have no idea that part of the video came out. But he actually unscrewed 3 different bolts with this. So there you go. If you have a multi-purpose 12-in-1 screwdriver, now it's 13-in-1. Thanks for watching. You stay classy.